Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Product Review Top 5 LCD screen separating machines have become essential tools in the realm of smartphone and electronics repair. These devices are designed to safely and efficiently separate LCD screens from the delicate components of smartphones and other electronic devices, making repairs and replacements more accessible for technicians and enthusiasts alike. To help you navigate the market and choose the best LCD screen separating machine for your needs, we've compiled a list of the top 5 options available. These machines have been carefully selected based on their performance, reliability, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a professional repair technician or a D enthusiast, these LCD screen separating machines offer the precision and efficiency required for successful electronic repairs. Number 5. Tux 361 Max LCD Screen Separating Machine. First and foremost, the Tux 361 Max boasts a multifunctional rotation heating table that can be adjusted to 360 degrees. This feature allows for the precise separation of screens without any hassle. The ability to control the temperature with 3-speed memory settings, 0 to 120 degrees Celsius, is remarkable. It ensures that I can handle a wide variety of screen repairs without worrying about damaging the delicate components. The 8-inch work platform, complete with camera protection design, is a thoughtful addition. It provides ample space for working on screens, even the larger ones, and the camera protection design ensures I can work with confidence without the risk of damaging any components. The 45-degree tilt design is a brilliant innovation. It allows me to adjust the angle left and right, making it easier to work on screens comfortably for extended periods. The versatility of this machine has greatly reduced the strain on my hands and neck during the repair process. Number 4. Digisix TBK268 LCD Screen Separating Machine. The model number indicates precision engineering, and the device lives up to that expectation. Brand name Digisix. Digisix is a trusted name in the industry, known for their quality products. This machine is perfect for D enthusiasts who want to handle their LCD screen repairs and replacements. The fact that it's customized further proves its versatility and adaptability. The brushless motor is a standout feature, ensuring efficiency and longevity. It comes neatly packed in a box, making it easy to store and transport. The TBK268 LCD Screen Separating Machine excels in its core function, separating LCD screens with precision and care. The brushless motor runs smoothly, and it's evident that this machine is designed for durability. The LCD separation process is notably less risky and time-consuming compared to manual methods. Number 3. TBK 958 LCD Screen Separating Machine. This machine performs exceptionally well. It has a powerful heating element that quickly and evenly warms the adhesive holding the LCD screen to the device, making the separation process efficient and hassle-free. The built-in vacuum pump effectively removes any debris, ensuring a clean and professional result. I've used it on a variety of smartphone models, and it consistently delivers outstanding results. The TBK 958 is well built and sturdy. The materials used feel durable and reliable, which gives me confidence that it will last for a long time, even with heavy daily use. It's an investment that I believe will pay off in the long run. One of the standout features of this machine is its versatility. It can handle a wide range of screen sizes and types, including LCD and OLED screens. The adjustable clamps and heating settings make it suitable for various devices, making it an excellent choice for a repair shop with diverse clientele. Number 2. XMSJ TBK 288 LCD Screen Separating Machine. The TBK 288 is a robust and well-constructed machine. Its compact dimensions make it easy to fit in a small workspace, and the thoughtful design ensures it doesn't take up too much room. The LCD screen separator looks professional and durable, and it truly feels like a quality piece of equipment. Using the TBK 288 is a breeze, even for someone like me with limited technical expertise. The clear and concise user manual included in the package made the setup straightforward. The machine's operation is relatively intuitive, and with a bit of practice, you'll become a pro at separating LCD screens. The TBK 288 LCD Screen Separating Machine delivers on its promise of efficient screen separation. The 400W power supply gives it the strength needed to tackle various screen sizes. It works quickly and effectively, saving time and effort. However, it's crucial to follow the instructions carefully and not rush through the process to avoid any mishaps. Number 1. XMSJ TBK 578 LCD Screen Separating Machine. The TBK 578 is remarkably user-friendly. It's easy to set up and operate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. The clear instructions provided with the machine were a big help. The 800W power output of this machine is excellent for separating LCD screens from various mobile devices. It effectively melts the adhesive, making the process smooth and hassle-free. The freezing degree of -185 degrees ensures that the LCD separation is precise and minimizes the risk of damaging the screen. The machine is solidly constructed and feels durable. The materials used appear to be of good quality, and it's clear that attention was given to detail during manufacturing. However, a bit more heft in the build would have been appreciated to enhance stability. Thanks for watching this video.